John, first win of the second phase. How crucial of the 3 points is that in your aim to secure a second spot?
Yeah, I think it's massively important because, like you've said, we've not won a game in the second phase as yet. But I do think we've probably played a lot better in the second phase than we did in the first in some games, and that's just how football is, and that's how football works. But I thought the lads were absolutely outstanding tonight. And there's got to be a massive mention to my staff because they've implemented a game plan. Nothing to do with myself. They've implemented a game plan tonight against Caernarfon, the only team so far that we hadn't beat, and we've managed to get a result tonight on my staff's game plan. So I'm delighted for them as well.
Niwdio fewn 17 eiliad dwi'n meddwl, which ddim digon da I safon ni, ond ar y cyfan o'n i'n meddwl bod y perfformiad yn un da, o'n i'n meddwl bod ni'n well tîm first half, a wedyn, da ni'n awlwcus mynd I fewn wrach ben athyn ni, a wedyn second half o'n i'n bod nhw'n cael lot o'r bel eto, ac ia, rhywun beth o'n i wedi gwneud ydy, maen nhw wedi capitalise o'r mistakes ni, a maen nhw I gyd yn avoidable goals, dyn nhw wedi gorau gweithio'n gawad o gwbl amdan y goals da ni wedi'r rhoi nhw iddyn nhw. So yeah, disappointed achos o'n i'n teimlo bod ni'n heiddi rhywbeth achos o'n byd rhwng y ddau dim.
You had to get off to a flying start and goal within 17 seconds.
Yeah, it always helps when Harry Franklin's in your side, doesn't it? And the threat that he causes teams, and he's been a breath of fresh air since he's come back to the football club. He's had a bad injury, and we missed him. And no coincidence that the results didn't go our way when we didn't have him on the pitch. Just a breath of fresh air and a massive threat, and scoring that goal so early helps things. We probably thought we went to score too early because we conceded from a set play again. But no, the lads showed unbelievable character and unbelievable quality, and I think we really blew them away second half. They couldn't live with us, in my opinion.
Noah, I think that's the first win in 7 for Connah's Cei this evening, and nearly there to secure the second spot.
Yeah, it's obviously it was a big win for us to try and get a few more points to try and cement second. But obviously we've had a few tough results lately, but everyone knows that the top 6 is always tight, it's always hard to get results. So we just thought we would keep going, and obviously our luck would turn around sooner than later, and we did that today.
Rio, first of all, congratulations.
Thank
first
you.
Cymru Premier League goal, just behind you there.
Yeah, it's a great feeling to get a goal. Obviously sad that it meant nothing because we lost, but it's a good personal milestone for me to get my first goal.
Yeah, consolation it was in the end, but disappointing result for Caernarfon this evening.
Yeah, obviously they're a top side, Connah's Cei, but we thought silly mistakes, a slow start in the first 20 seconds just put us behind in the game. But apart from that, I think we performed all right. Just a little mistakes that we can work on in training.